What's up YouTube? What's up YouTube family, I would say. So finally I hit 1000 subscribers and I would love to thank each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart for supporting me. Shout out to each and every one, especially from those who have supported me since I had like 100 subscribers or even 0. There's a lot of things to come in future. I would love to thank each and every one of you who have been following me since day one. Yep, more motorcycle reviews coming up, more motorcycle tips, more vlogs. Thank you everyone from the bottom of my heart, and I hope you keep on supporting me. So stay tuned, there's a lot of things coming up, and yes, don't forget to subscribe. Let's hit 10k in few months, so let's do something big for the biking community. Stay tuned. So that's all for today, and yeah, no face reveal.